Yo mama so stupid that she thinks a quarterback is a refund. Yo mama so fat that when she fell in the ocean the whales started singing we are family. Yo mama so fat she fell in love and broke it. Oh hell no. Yo mama so dumb, when she got locked in a grocery store, she starved to death. Yo mama so stupid that she sold her car for gas money. Yo mama so stupid that when she saw a school bus she yelled catch the Twinkie. Yo mama so dumb that when she sticks a battery up her butt she sings I have the power. Yo mama so fat, she fell down the Grand Canyon and got stuck. Yo mama so old her birth certificate says expired. Yo mama is so old, I told her to act her own age, and she died. Yo mama so ugly, Bob the Builder looked at her and said, we can't fix that. Yo mama is so fat even the nuke is scared of her. Yo mama so stupid that when she goes to the 99-cent store she has to ask an employee for a price scan. Yo mama so fat when she sat on a Nintendo GameCube and it turned into a Game Boy. Yo mama so fat, she couldn't fit the World Wide Web. Yo mama is so fat that when she sat on the rainbow, Kevin James popped out. Yo mama so fat her belly button gets home 15 minutes before she does. Yo mama so fat she was the only one to get a tan at the beach. Yo mama so poor, people rob her house for practice. Yo mama so stupid she sits on the TV and watches the couch. Yo mama so fat I had to take a bus and 2 trains just to get on her good side. Yo mama so stupid she got locked in a mattress store and slept on the floor. Yo mama so stupid it takes her 2 hours to watch 60 Minutes. Yo mama so stupid she threw a rock at the ground and missed. Yo mama so old, once she breastfeeds you, cottage cheese comes out. Yo mama so stupid she got hit by a parked car. Yo mama so stupid that when the teacher told her to do an essay, she went and banged a Mexican. Yo mama so poor she never heard of 50 Cent. And I ain't talking about the rapper. Ah. Whatever, yay. I beat you. But aren't you a boy?